Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani and we're back with another vlog. So today's video we're going to be doing a can't say no challenge. So Yani, get ready for this.
It has to be me.
You'll be my slave.
It has to be me because it's his birthday, so it's just fitting that it's gonna be me. Be nice. Be nice. Now we filmed 2 videos already and we're gonna clean the house, and we have a lot of exciting things to do today because it's his birthday celebration. So just stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna tell you.
Right.
I'm not gonna tell you.
You can't say no. Roll on the floor now.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. Roll. Pretend you're a puppy.
What?
Yes, go.
That's not how the game goes.
Thank you. You decide the challenge, I decide what you do.
That's not how the game.
Thank you.
What?
You're a puppy. You're a puppy, Yani. Oh. Oh, my puppy. You're a puppy. Puppies don't do that.
The camera.
I don't care. I wanna pet you because you're my dog.
This is not how the game goes.
I wanna pet you.
I don't like this game anymore. Let's clean the house. You guys, I don't like this game anymore. But anyway, we're just gonna clean right now. I'm doing some laundry, as you can see. And Fabio's cleaning the kitchen. He's cleaning the kitchen and now I'm gonna clean the bathroom too. So it's a team effort always in this house. Guys, look how clean the house. Oh, Fabio bought pizza for lunch. But look how clean.
And guess what? I always have to beg Yani to clean because he never does.
Well, it's a say no challenge. Can't say no challenge today, so it's your time to tell me whatever. Look how clean, you guys. Our place. Look how clean it is.
Serve me with my lunch. Thank you. Thank you. Warm up the soup. Make avocado toast. Put the slices on a plate. And serve me like a princess.
I'm editing our vlog.
I don't give a shit. This is no say no challenge. Thank you. Show us how much love you have for me. Yani, I wanna see love when you do it. I'm loving this. I'm loving. Can it?
I don't like this challenge
Can
anymore.
this be say no challenge forever?
I don't like this challenge anymore.
Wow. Oh, I want pineapple too.
No, bitch. No, bitch.
Look at these roses, guys. Look at them. How pretty they are. Yani, show your viewers your skin.
No. Fabio, stop. Why?
I want to vlog you from close by.
Well, no. It's okay. Now, guys, I'll sing. Fabio. Because Fabio, this is a can't say no challenge and Fabio asked me to sing, so I'm gonna sing. Rise up. Rise like a day. Rise up. In spite of the ache, I rise up.
Flexible. I am a vlogger.
Can't say no challenge. Kiss Fabio.
Hey guys, we are back. I decided to kind of wet my hair to flatten it a little bit because it was extremely messy, but we're going for the massage right now. Yani is finishing his editing. We had some good food and now we're about to get massage. Yani is very busy, as you can see, so I don't even want to bother him.
Just uploading Andrea Brillante's video for tonight. Stay tuned.
Anyways, we're about to have a lot of fun. I cannot wait for this nice massage. I really love it. I need it. I need it so much.
Okay guys, we're on the way to the spa. Hello. For Yani? Yes, please.
Hi.
Yeah, right here is good. Thank you so much. Guys, we're here, guys. Our spa. Guys, this is our final look. So we're just waiting for our appointment. It's at 2. We have 6 more minutes to wait. Right now we're just chilling. Fabio is very lazy with his can't say no challenge. I'm happy though. I'm not complaining. I love it. I don't have to do anything. So this is the spa, guys. It's very nice. It's in the middle of Toronto. Guys, that was the most relaxing massage ever. So nice.
Guys, so we just came back from the spa. It was so amazing and relaxing. And now, because it's say no challenge, no, can't say no challenge, Yanni's gonna buy me coffee and one of these pastry because I love those pastry.
I want this
What's that called?
small cappuccino.
So good. It's buy me everything today.
Guys, look at the location. It's so nice. So nice.
Hey guys, so now we're at the mall. It's very crowded today and we're about to go home. Yanni is here next to me and I'm gonna ask him to scream here at the mall.
No.
Go
I
Yanni.
can't. Scream
This is
what?
it. Can't
Okay,
say
I'll-
no
okay,
challenge. You have to scream like this. Super gay person. Go.
Wait, hold on. I don't want to
One.
scare people.
2, 3. There we go, guys. So we ran some errands and now we're about to go home. But before, we're gonna have Yanni sing us a nice Tagalog song.
What?
Go for it, Yanni. Still the scene.
What are we gonna do?
Nice and loud.
What are you going to do?
Sing a Tagalog song that everyone knows. Go.
Wait, hold on.
It's very loud.
There's a lot of Filipinos here.
It doesn't matter.
There's a lot of
It
Filipinos.
doesn't matter.
Here, I'll do it.
No. As we walk.
I'll do it here.
No, we do it as we walk in the crowd.
Paatuhon, balikan ulo. Paatuhon. Run!
So shy. Getting this one, I think.
Oh, just the regular steak.
Yeah, this is pretty big, right?
It's the one that we're
Happy birthday, Fabio. Happy birthday. So we're at this restaurant.
It's so
French
beautiful. I'm
restaurant.
very happy how my hair turned out today.
Yeah, we're at the French restaurant. Go.
Wow, Yanni. It's so pretty.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Fabio.
It's like my birthday is like an Indian wedding. It lasts like
Forever. So for appetizer, we got some scallops. You know what? All this for $15. It is.
The food I can fit in my mouth is $8 already.
Yeah, for real. So this is $7, and that's $7.